Understanding how banks work, and why they are important to the global economy is critical. The basic function of a bank is to accept funds from individuals, and then loan that money out at a higher rate to borrowers, for houses, cars, etc. However, it is a bit more complicated than that, primarily because of two factors. First, savers have the right to withdraw their money at any time, while banks still need to have plenty of money on hand. There's an incident happened in Greece called capital control. The government decided to close Greek banks for almost 20 days and limits cash withdrawal to avoid an uncontrolled bank run. Bank run occurred when many clients withdraw their money from a bank because they believe the bank may cease to function in the future. More of this in another video. The point is, the bank, when it's successful, has the confidence of the public. If the public believes the bank is on the verge of failing, everyone runs to the bank to withdraw their money, which leads to its collapse. To prevent such bank collapses in modern America, banks are backed by the government. Banks in their modern form cannot exist without the government, which operates both as their biggest depositor and biggest creditor, and their protector of last resort if the people loses their trust in that bank. The second factor for banks is they can't earn enough money to stay in business by just lending out money given to them by people. Instead, banks borrow money from the government, based on the amount of cash savers have entrusted to them. The banks then take these funds from the government and lend them out to the public, alongside the money that's deposited by savers. While many people complain about the government's involvement with banks, the truth is that almost all banks around the world are supported by their respective governments. For better or for worse, that's how the modern banking system operates, both in the United Kingdom and in most other developed countries. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.